Over the coming weeks here on Let's Chat, you'll be hearing a lot, and we'll be talking a lot with our next guest, who is Michael Kissner. Michael is one of the big dogs at Kissner Paving, and we're calling this segment Paving the Way. First of all, Michael, glad to have you on board with us.
Thank you for having me.
Kissner Paving, I guess it sounds pretty self-explanatory.
Right.
But tell me what kind of paving you guys do.
We are a family-owned and operated asphalt paving company.
Right.
We have been serving the Chattanooga area for 3 generations now, since 1958. We primarily do commercial and residential. So if anybody has any parking lot needs or any driveway needs, we're your go-to guys.
There's a lot of differences. I mean, you see something that's blacktopped.
Right.
There's a lot of different components that go into that. There's
Exactly.
different materials.
Right.
There's different needs for different sites.
Right, exactly.
Now, tell me what sets your company apart. Obviously, you're doing something right. You've been in business since 1958.
Right. Well, you know, since 1958, my family, we have been improving different aspects of the paving business. We had different techniques most people do not use.
Can you give us an example of just one?
Well, you know, something as simple as just your base work.
Right.
Your proper base work. If you don't have the proper base, no matter what you put on top of your base, it will never last.
Yeah.
It's part of your pillars. The bottom layer is the main aspect.
And I understand in looking at some of your literature that either you or your dad
Yes.
inspect every single job personally.
Me and Dad, we're on pretty much every job site from start to finish.
Wow.
Yes.
That requires a lot of your time, I would think.
It's a 24/7 job, yes.
Sure, and especially when it comes to paving and things of that nature, you are weather dependent a lot of times.
Exactly. Weather plays a big role in our industry. You know, especially the weather we've been having lately.
Sure.
With all the rain has put us behind a little bit, but yeah, it is weather dependent.
What about, some people might think that they have just a small, narrow driveway.
Right.
But they have plenty of property on either side of this.
Right.
You guys can help take that old stuff up,
Yes.
expand it a little bit,
Right.
and make it a whole lot better.
We can do two things. We can either expand it, go over what they have, or we can start fresh, dig everything up, start from new.
And a lot of times, I guess it would be advantageous in the long run to do that. Take everything up,
Yes.
start from scratch.
Yes, and in some cases, yes. In some cases, especially with our residential section, you have a lot of old driveways.
Right.
You know, that was probably paved in 30, 40 years ago.
Yeah.
Probably from my grandfather, you know, and what we can do, we can clean that up, put another layer on top of that, and make it all fresh and brand new again.
What if someone has, let's say, a driveway that has developed some cracks due to the shifting of the earth or whatever?
Right.
Can you help repair that? Or?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And what we would do, we would just have to start from scratch in that scenario. Dig it out, start with the base, make sure you have the proper base. Put the new base in, do a compaction on that, and then install the asphalt.
I know there's different types of the asphalt, whether it's tar or chip driveways
Yes.
or roads. Tell us the difference between the two of those.
Well, we offer two products, tar and chip or asphalt. Tar and chip is basically chips rock embedded into tar. We offer that in limestone or in pea gravel. And it's people love it. It's a really natural look. It doesn't look like you got an interstate, you know, going through your driveway. If that's what you like, you know.
What if you don't know what you like or what you want?
Well, they need to give us a call, and we can come out there and take a look at it.
And I guess you can take prospective customers around to different jobs. That
Exactly. Exactly. You know, being in business this long, we can actually take you to different jobs that we've done over the years, and just let you take a look at it.
I think one thing, again, that's really cool is either you or your dad personally inspect every project at every step of the way from start to finish. Probably, definitely one of the keys why you've been in business for so long.
Exactly. Well, you know, we're really hands-on. We do our sales and we do our installs.
Right.
So we're there throughout the whole process.
Incredible story. We look forward to having you joining us over the coming weeks right here on Let's Chat.
Thank you.
If folks want to get in touch with Michael Kissner or the great staff at Kissner Paving, call them at 763-8883. Again, 763-8883. Or check out the website, pavingit.com. pavingit.com.